Insert CBSE 2024 to 2025. Class 6. Exploring Science Chapter 5. Separation of Substances. All questions and answers in one short video. Exercises. 1. Fill in the blank spaces by choosing correct words from the list given below. List: evaporation, churning, threshing, sieving, sedimentation, winnowing, condensation, handpicking. 1. Grass is separated from coriander leaves by handpicking. 2. Corn is separated from husk by the process of winnowing. 3. Simplest way of separating broken rice from whole rice is sieving. 4. Butter is separated from curd by the process of churning. 5. A pure solid is obtained from its solution by the process of evaporation. 6. The method of removing grains from stalks is called threshing. 7. The process of allowing the muddy water to stand so that mud settles at the base is called sedimentation. 8. The process due to which steam changes into the liquid state on cooling is called condensation. 2. Write true or false against the statements given below. 1. A mixture of sugar and water can be separated by filtration. False. 2. Loading helps the clay particles in a suspension to settle down. True. 3. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of sieving. False. 4. A mixture of coconut oil and water can be separated by using separating funnel. True. 5. The process of winnowing is used to remove pebbles from grain. False. 6. Separation of tea leaves from tea can be done by sieving. True. 7. Grain and husk can be separated by the process of winnowing. True. 8. Churning is used to obtain pure water from salt solution. False. 3. Match the statements in the column A with those in column B. Column A. 1. The process of removing insoluble particles of suspension by passing it through filter paper. 2. The process of obtaining soluble salt from its solution. 3. The process of obtaining butter from curd. 4. The process of making particles of mud heavy with alum. 5. The process of separation of chaff from wheat flour. Column B. A. Sieving. B. Churning. C. Loading. D. Filtration. E. Evaporation. Uns. Column A. Column B. 1. The process of removing insoluble particles of suspension by passing it through filter paper. D. Filtration. 2. The process of obtaining soluble salt from its solution. E. Evaporation. 3. The process of obtaining butter from curd. B. Churning. 4. The process of making particles of mud heavy with alum. C. Loading. 5. The process of separation of chaff from wheat flour. A. Sieving. 4. Statements given below are incorrect. Write the correct statements. 1. The removal of husk from grain is done by the process of sieving. Uns. The removal of husk from the grains is done by the process of winnowing. Two. The process by which the insoluble components of muddy water settle down is called decantation. Uns. The process by which the insoluble components of muddy water settle down is called sedimentation. 3. The common salt is obtained from sea water by the process of condensation. Uns. The common salt is obtained from sea water by the process of evaporation. 4. Pure water is obtained from the salt solution by the process of filtration and condensation. Uns. Pure water is obtained from sea water by the process of evaporation and condensation. 5. The process by which paneer is removed from curdled milk is called decantation. Ans, the process by which paneer is removed from the curdled milk is called filtration. 5. Answer the following questions. 1. What do you understand by the term mixture? Ans are product formed by mixing two or more substances in any proportion, such that they can be separated by physical processes, such as handpicking, winnowing, threshing, sieving, sedimentation and decantation, filtration, etc., is called a mixture. 2. Name the components of the following mixtures. 1. Sea water. 2. Vinegar. 3. Smoke. 4. Air. 5. Nimbu, lemon, pani. 6. Mist. 7. Coca-Cola. 8. Milk. 9. Fruit cream. Ans. 1. Sea water is a mixture of water and dissolved salts, such as common salt. 2. Vinegar is a mixture of water and acetic acid. 3. Smoke is a mixture of carbon particles and air. 4. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. 5. Nimbu pani is a mixture of water, lemon juice and salt or sugar. 6. Mist is a mixture of air and tiny droplets of water condensed on tiny particles of dust. 7. Coca-Cola, a mixture of water, sugar, carbon dioxide and secret essence of Coca-Cola Company. 8. Milk is a mixture of water, fats, proteins, carbohydrates and vitamins. 9. Fruit cream is a mixture of fruit, sugar and milk cream. 3. Why do we need to separate different components of a mixture? Give at least 2 examples. Ans. 1. Mixtures are separated so as to remove useful product from the unwanted product. For example, grain is separated from the chaff by winnowing. 2. Mixtures are separated so as to obtain 2 or more useful substances in pure state. For example, milk cream is separated from milk by the process of churning. The milk cream as well as the skimmed milk, fatless milk, are useful products. 4. How will you remove impurities from a sample of pulses or rice before cooking? Ans. To remove impurities from pulses or rice before cooking, rinse them thoroughly under running water and visually inspect for any debris. Use a strainer or sieve to ensure all impurities are removed. 5. What is sieving? Where is it used? Give 2 examples. Unsieving is a process that separates particles based on size using a mesh or perforated surface. It is used to filter out larger particles from smaller ones. Examples. 1. Cooking, sifting flour to remove lumps and aerate it for baking. 2. Construction, separating fine sand from gravel in building materials. 6. What is winnowing? Who uses the winnowing and how? Ans. Winnowing is the process of separating grain from chaff using wind or air. Farmers use winnowing to separate grain from chaff by tossing the mixture into the air, allowing the wind to blow away the lighter chaff while the heavier grain falls back down. 7. What is the difference between winnowing and sieving? Ans. Winnowing involves separating components based on weight, where lighter elements are blown away by air currents, commonly used in agriculture. Sieving, on the other hand, separates components based on size using a mesh or perforated surface, often employed in cooking, construction, and various industrial applications to filter particles of different sizes. 8. Is it possible to separate wheat flour from sugar crystals? If so, how? Ans. This can be achieved by the process of sieving, in which wheat flour passes through holes of sieve, but not the crystals of sugar. 9. How will you obtain clear water from the muddy water, if you are provided with 2 glass tumblers and no other equipment? Ans. Allow the water to settle in 1 tumbler for 1 hour. Now lift this tumbler and slowly allow the clear water to pour in 2nd tumbler. 10. How will you separate all the components of a mixture of sand and salt in water? UNS, to separate all the components of a mixture of sand and salt in water. Follow these steps. 1. Filtration. Pour the mixture through a filter. The sand will be trapped by the filter, while the salt water will pass through. 2. Evaporation. Heat the salt water to evaporate the water, leaving the salt behind. This process will separate the sand, salt, and water from each other. 11. How is common salt obtained from the seawater? UNS. Common salt is obtained from seawater through the process of evaporation. Here's a brief outline of the process. 1. Collection. Seawater is collected in large, shallow ponds called salt pans. 2. Evaporation. The sun and wind help evaporate the water over time, leaving behind concentrated brine. 3. Crystallization. As more water evaporates, salt crystals begin to form. 4. Harvesting. The salt crystals are then harvested, washed, and purified to remove impurities. This natural evaporation method is commonly used in coastal areas with hot and dry climates.